Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 17, Part A. Find the value of 125 raised to the power of 2/3. 125 equals 5 into 5 into 5, which means 5 cube or 5 raised to the power 3. So 125 raised to the power of 2/3 can be written as 5 cube raised to the power of 2 by 3. The powers will multiply, so 3 into 2 by 3 becomes 2, as 3 divided by 3 is 1. This simplifies to 5 raised to the power 2. Square of 5 is 25, so our answer is 25. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.